self-love comes first, because we're the only person who'll be with ourselves at every moment of our life. We can't depend on anybody else to be there 100% of the time, only us. We have to fill our cup first, then we have enough to share with others and overflow. If we don't fill our cup and take care of ourselves and protect ourselves from negative influences, peoples and places, then we will become drained. See? And then we won't have to give, or if we do force to give, we'll be resentful and drained and tired. So we've got to fill our own cup, and we've got to depend on ourselves to save ourselves and to love ourselves and to look after ourselves and to nurture ourselves with healthy, positive things, people and places. And like I said, we got to look after ourselves. We've got to learn to say no and stop people pleasing, and to honour ourselves. To thine own self be true. Yeah, that's really the message for today. So lots of love. Thanks for watching. A beautiful day. Beautiful soul.